Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you a game.
Hold on.
It's called Grab. Inside of Grab, this is called Bird Tag. So
Then get off the map.
there's a bunch of stuff to do. There is mountains.
Keep doing it.
There's,
Bro, look.
I had
Look at
no
the
clue how they go through.
I don't know how I'm
There's
floating.
penguins.
Wait, guys, look, it's the king penguin.
Migration.
Look at the little baby penguin.
And
Look at the baby penguin.
then there's more penguin by fire.
Hold on. I'm going to need to like friend you on Oculus so I can add you to like the big group chat of everyone who's moderators.
Yeah,
in
I
this
got
game.
you. And then we got Ice Cube. Poor guy. Oh no! What happened?
He's frozen.
I'm gonna break him out. I'm about to out. Wait, I bet you can't.
Okay.
I bet you can't
And then
respawn me. I will beat
here,
you up.
there's this. There's a shop and stuff. Oh, there's a mirror. I think. Maybe.
No, please
I
don't.
got
These
no
are like
clue.
supposed to be the buttons where like you can find cosmetics and stuff.
Yeah.
I'm gonna hide. I'm gonna hide.
And then over here, there's the forest
No.
with a very beautiful. Wait. It's gonna take a little bit to get up there because this is on VR. There is a tree house. And then over here is hide and go seek tag. This year's map warehouse.
Yeah, I want to show you the cosmetic that you can get in here.
Oh, there's
Look,
a
if you go
cosmetic
this
in
way,
here.
yeah, just underneath the boxes, and you can collect.
There is a free cosmetic back here.
Wait, Stingray, look,
Yeah, it's a
there's
skin for
hole.
your pet bird.
Yeah.
Wait, guys,
if you get a pet bird, very beautiful
Over
skin right here. What the heck?
You can
Wait.
go in.
What is
What
this?
It's a secret area.
Oh, it's cool.
It's a secret spot.
No.
Secret spot. Okay, well,
Like every year, like the map's gonna rotate, and like every single year there's going to be like a new secret area.
yeah. Okay. Shout out to this guy, Stingray. This guy, Stingray523. Stingray523. For making the game. Fist bump.
Fist bump.
Boom.